Hi, my name is Shazia. I'm currently a Business Apprentice at EY and I'm on the Level 7 Accounting and Taxation programme. I discovered the apprenticeship route whilst being at college, and this led me to further look into both the apprenticeship route and the university route. There were two major factors which led me to my decision of choosing an apprenticeship. The first, you may have already guessed, being the student debt, and secondly, I was largely aware of the fact that employers look for experience when hiring, and this option provided me with both. My apprenticeship has given me a wealth of experience. Learning on the job has been invaluable, and the parts that I've enjoyed the most have been the experiences that I didn't expect to have had prior to joining EY. One of those being part of the Apprentice Representatives team, and as part of that also being a D&I champion, a Diversity and Inclusion Champion, a force for change. I have been part of a great team and I've had amazing counsellors who have been a great support throughout my learning journey. One of my biggest challenges when I began was presenting, especially when it came to technical topics where I felt out of my depth. And after having discussions with my counsellor, I decided to face this head on by presenting a tax technical session to the wider team, all the way from staff to partner level, and this really helped me conquer my fears. For me, my apprenticeship has been a major stepping stone into my career, and it has put me ahead of where I wanted to be. Thank you all for watching.